Ever wonder what makes that special morning magic run so smoothly? It's not just holiday spirit. From your tree stand rotating perfectly in place to that miniature train gliding endlessly around the tree skirt, there's precision engineering at work. Watch closely. That tree topper spinning gracefully? Tiny bearings make it possible. The tools in our kitchens quietly keep dinner in motion. Festive candle displays twirling in perfect rhythm. Even those delicate nutcracker ornaments swaying silently. Outside, vehicles drive smoothly through fresh powder, drone cameras capture aerial magic, and every sled ride is perfectly smooth. The secret? Precision bearings working behind the scenes, making large movements smooth and silent. CW bearing. Precision in motion, every day, all season long.